Hey kids, have you heard the song about the Incy Wincy Spider that went up the water spout? If you know it, then sing along. And if you don't know it, well, you can learn with us. So we're going to start off in English and then move on to the Urdu version. Ready? Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. अब इसी गाने को हम उर्दू में गाएं। छोटा सा मकोड़ा दरख्त पे चढ़ गया। बारिश जब हुई तो मकोड़ा बह गया। सूरज निकला तो मकोड़ा खुश हुआ और छोटा सा मकोड़ा दरख्त पे चढ़ गया। And if you want to hear this again, all you need to do is click on the play button. Bye!